In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Salesforce password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to update it to something more secure, I'll walk you through the process in clear, easy-to-follow steps. Let's start by logging into your Salesforce account, and once you're on your dashboard, we'll dive right in. First, navigate to the upper right corner, and you'll notice your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This will lead you directly to your personal settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're in the Settings tab, look for the option labeled Change My Password. Click on it. The interface you'll see is straightforward and is designed to keep the process as hassle-free as possible. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. Take a moment to do that carefully, ensuring accuracy. Once you've confirmed your existing password, it's time to create a new one. Think of a password that you can remember easily, but is also strong enough to protect your account. Salesforce requires that your new password be at least 8 characters in length. Additionally, it must contain at least 1 letter and 1 number. These requirements are set to enhance security and keep your personal information safe from unauthorized access. When you've decided on the new password, type it in and make sure to re-enter it as required to confirm it's been typed correctly. At this point, Salesforce might prompt you to answer the security questions you defined during your initial registration. These questions are a second layer of security meant to verify your identity, so it's important to remember the answers. Enter the responses exactly as you did during registration, taking care to match the original answers, including capitalization and punctuation, if applicable. After you've filled in all the necessary information and answered your security questions, you've reached the final step, saving your changes. Simply click on the Save button to finalize your password reset. With a click, your new password is immediately active, and you'll use it for all future logins, and there you have it. Understanding these steps ensures that resetting your Salesforce password is a smooth and efficient process. It's always a great practice to update your passwords regularly. Doing so helps safeguard your personal data and brings you peace of mind knowing your information is secure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with anyone else who might be looking to reset their Salesforce password. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.